Hey guys, welcome back. Here today, opening some brand new packs. I recently bought 4 of them, adding together in Tarkir, Dragon Storm. See what I've got. So, card number 1, Blossoming Sands, Kistler Trawlers, Revival of the Ancestors, Dragonfire Blade, Fresh Start, Inspirited Vanguard, Skirmish Rhino, Aggressive Negotiations, Buried Earthcarver, Snakeskin Veil, Nightblade Brigade, Twin Bolt, Fortress Kinguard, Humbling Elder. Alright, that was pack 1. Let's open the rest and see what we've gotten.